Hey everybody! Today's topic, subject pronouns in Chinese. Are you ready? Let's go! Oh great, here comes the menu. These are the delicious things we're going to eat now. Sentence, I am a teacher. 我是个老师. 我是个老师. So the I in Chinese, 我, and am, 是 个 teacher 老师. So for all these words putting together, we will create this sentence. And this grammar structure is similar in Chinese and English. Just that simple. You. Sentence. You are smart. 你很聪明. 你很聪明. You in Chinese, 你. And R does not equal to 很. How do we deal with this part? We will leave this part in the future videos. So yeah, we won't deal with this part today. Smart, 聪明. He. Sentence. He is my boyfriend. 他是我的男朋友. 他是我的男朋友. He. 他 is 是 my 我的 boyfriend 男朋友. She. Sentence. She is his girlfriend. 她是他的女朋友. 她是他的女朋友. She. 她 is 是 his 他的 girlfriend 女朋友. It. Sentence. It is huge. 它好巨大. 它好巨大. It. 它 is does not equal to 好. And we will leave this in the future videos. Huge. 巨大. This will be the final menu for today. If you can memorize I, you, he, she, it. 我 你 他 她 The last three words sounds totally the same. If you ask me if there's a way to recognize this word by hearing 他, my answer will be no. There's no way for you to recognize these words if you only hear 他, because it sounds totally the same. We could only recognize this difference by the conversation or the reading context. Okay, this is the end. If you want to learn how these Chinese characters are written, I have a playlist for this, so just check out the information below. If you find this video helpful, like it or share it to others. And make sure you subscribe this channel because more videos are coming up soon. See ya!